I will show you 6 easy steps how to convert this into that, and if you want to find out how I did it, you can watch the rest of this video. Okay guys, inside Premiere Pro, the first thing I would do is go and grab this video and drag it onto the timeline. Then the next thing I would do is, while it's still selected, I'm gonna click with the right button of the mouse and go to speed and duration. And I'm gonna go down to 90%. Like that, we're gonna slow down the video a little bit. And also we're gonna extend the length of the video. Then when we've done with this, I'm gonna go up to the effect control panel, and from scale, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit like that, let's say 13, and then create a keyframe here. Then I'm gonna move, let's say, to over here and go back to 100%. All right, now after we've done with this, I'm gonna go straight to color. And from here, I will color correct this video and give it this cinematic look. I'm gonna start with the basic correction, and I will increase the temperature with 2. Then I'm gonna decrease the saturation to around 94. Then move it down to light. I'm gonna bump up the exposure up to 1.4. Decrease the contrast to -8. Increase the highlights to 42. Bump up the shadows to around 10. Decrease the whites to around -38 and increase the blacks to around 2. Then I'll close this basic correction panel and open the creative section panel. And I'm gonna go down to adjustments and click on this arrow, and this is gonna open this thing in front of us. I'll sharpen the video a little bit, around 4. Put a little bit of vibrance, around 46. And leave the saturation as it is to 100. Then I'm gonna go to the shadow tint wheel, and I'm gonna go a little bit to the blue, somewhere over here, like that. And now when we've done with the creative, not creatives, I'm gonna click on it and close it again. Then I'm gonna go to color wheels and match. We'll play around a little bit here. I'm just gonna move the highlights bar further up, like that, and leave the rest of them as they are. Again, I'm gonna close this and go to HSL secondary. I'm gonna click on it, and as you can see, we've got those 3 bars over here. So what I'm gonna do next is go up to this little hydro pipe. I'm gonna click on it, and like that, we can sample the color we would like to improve a little bit. I'll select this green color, and then I'm gonna go back to those bars and play around with them. And as you can see right now, you can isolate just the greens like that. Then I'm gonna move to S for saturation, and I'm gonna leave it as it is. Then I'm gonna move to light and extend this one a little bit. Okay, I think that I'm quite happy with that. And we're done with the color grading, so I'm gonna switch it off. This is before, and this is after applying this color correction. Okay, now the next thing is to apply these cinematic black bars. So to do this, the easiest way to do it is by going down to this little icon where it says new item. I'm gonna click on it and go up to adjustment layer. I'm gonna click it, and I'm gonna use the same resolution as the sequence, and then okay. And now we've got this black adjustment layer. I'm gonna take it and drop it above the video, and also extend it until the end of this video. So now when we've got the adjustment layer, I'm gonna select it, go to those little arrows, click on them and select effects. From here, I'm gonna type down crop and grab the crop effects and apply it to the adjustment layer. Then I'm gonna go up to the effect control panel while still we've got the adjustment layer selected, and go to top. I'm gonna put it up to 10. Then I'm gonna go to bottom and 10% as well. And I'm gonna create keyframes straight away. And then I'm gonna go back to the beginning of the video and go back to 0 from bottom and top. So we're gonna have this animation where we've got these black bars coming up into the monitor slowly. So when I play it, we've got something like this. And now after I've done with the cinematic bars, I would like to add some text so I can make the video even better. I'm gonna hit on T and click anywhere onto the program monitor. I'm gonna type down chapter 1, and then I'm gonna press escape and V so I can make the text a bit bigger. Okay, let me just make the screen a bit bigger as well. Okay, and I'm gonna center it at the middle of the program monitor. Also, I would like to change the text style. I'm gonna go to the effect control panel and open the text settings, and from here I'm gonna type down Nimbus Sans Becker. Okay, I like this text better, and also I'm gonna make all the letters capital, and I'm gonna increase the space between them like that. Okay, now when we've done the text, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shorten it a little bit to around over here. Right, so what we've got so far, we've got a video with a slow motion, we've got a adjustment layer with cinematic bars, and we've got a text, but we haven't got the most important thing, which gonna make this video to another level. We have to add some sound effects, so let's add it. I have already prepared a folder with the sound effects that I'm gonna apply to this video. I'm gonna open the sound effects folder, and from here the first one I'm gonna put onto the audio track is the Cosmic Impact. Gonna be over here. That's gonna be for the text. Then I'm gonna add the scenic field with birds because that's in the forest somewhere. Then I'm gonna add some leaves footsteps because again they're into the forest and they're stepping onto branches and leaves. And the last thing I'm gonna add is some dramatic music. And now I'm gonna play first the original video, and then I'm gonna play the cinematic version of this video, and you're gonna tell me what is the difference between both of them. But enough talking, guys, let's play it. And that's all for this video, guys. But before I go, if you want to use the same sound effects and background music, you can check the link in the description down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.